This is the Exxon in Elliston in 2025. This place had a fire. The elevator is accessible again. Y'all remember this thing? Good. This is cool. Yep, it's got the trucker's lounge and everything. But yes, the elevator at the Exxon in Elliston is still going. This is nice to see. Makes me very happy. We'll end up on 2. I want to look out the window. But yeah, for the longest time this elevator was closed off, but there it is. This is really cool. You have a lounge up here. This is a really nice truck stop. There's arcade, showers, laundry, and some nice chairs. And I'm sure you guys remember this view right here. So yeah, that'll be it. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.